Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change background color in Adobe Photoshop. So, without further ado, let's get started. I've already added an image that I intend to modify the background for. To begin, duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl+J and rename the duplicated layer. Now, employ any selection tool of your choice to select the subject. In my case, I'll be using the Select Subject tool, which will automatically make the subject selection. Afterwards, utilize the Quick Selection tool to refine the selection as needed. Following that, generate a solid color using an adjustment layer based on the selection. You can pick any color of your preference. Afterwards, select the color mask and modify its blending mode to multiply. Invert the mask by pressing Ctrl+I. Now, by selecting the color area of the layer, you can easily modify the color according to your preference. This technique offers a convenient method to change the solid background color within an image using Photoshop. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.